Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I achieved this lovely burgundy color using 20-inch bundles from my hair collection. If you would like to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned.
Arguing and texting. See, I'm self-made. I got my own. Don't need your plate. Take them or leave them. That's how I treat them. I'ma be straight. I hang up on niggas. I ain't about to have a bad day. You do what you want, but I'm just telling you the cash way.
Really wish that I could trust you. Wish that it was easier to love.
What I'll be using today is 30 Developer, a mixing bowl, and Loreal Hicolor highlights in the colors Magenta and Red. So first, I would like to empty both of the colors into the bowl, one magenta and also one red. And I like to cut the ends just to help me get it out easier because it does have a thick consistency. Next, I will be adding in the developer. When adding in the developer, I like to add a lot just because I like to get a liquid consistency to make it easier to spread through the hair and make sure that it seeps through the hair to make sure that all the hair is saturated. So now that I'm mixing, I like to take my time on mixing just because I like to make sure that all of the color is broken up into the mixture and that it becomes a smooth liquid consistency. So next I'm going to start spreading the color evenly throughout all of the hair, making sure that all of the hair is evenly saturated. I'm going to do this on both sides just to make sure that the hair does seep through and that all of the hair is saturated with the color, because you do not want some parts to be darker or some parts to be lighter than others. So you're going to want to make sure that all of the hair is evenly saturated. So now that I've reached the closure, this is one part that I really like to take my time on just because it is very vital that you do not stain the lace with the color. At the bottom, you're going to see me using the brush and you're going to see me going faster. But once I reach the top of the closure, near the baby hairs or the edges or whatever you may want to call it, I do use a comb just because a comb is easier for me to make sure that all of the fine hairs around the edges are colored, but the lace is not stained with color. I found that using the brush at the top sometimes can make the color seep through the parts and stain the lace at the bottom. So I like to use a comb to make sure that all of the hairs on top and in front of the lace are colored. And then when I get back to the bottom, I like to continue to use the brush.
Lights is on.
So now I'm going to rinse out the color. After I left the color on for about 30 minutes, I then used the ISO Plus neutralizing shampoo to shampoo all of the bundles and the closures. I did use 3 bundles and a 4x4 closure. So I'm going to shampoo all of the bundles and then I'm going to deep condition them for about an hour. And then I'll begin to construct the unit. this is literally my favorite color to do. As you can see, this color came out beautiful. I cannot wait to see the finished unit. So I'll be using the ISO Plus Soft Hold Spritz and the Caracal Stick and Seal. Like, I live by these products. They are literally the holy grail. These are my favorite products ever. I will be doing crimps on this unit. This unit was in fact constructed on the sewing machine.
Lights is on.
So now I'll be moving on to customizing the closure. I like to use my Caracal wax stick, and I will also be using my ISO Plus Soft Hold Spritz to make sure that this closure lays flat as possible, because a wig should always be flat no matter what. So I'll also be using my hot comb. This is the only electric hot comb I like to use, and that is by Golden Hot. That is the only brand that I find to work just as good as the stove ones. Now that this unit is complete, those crimps are literally gorgeous. I am so proud the way that this unit turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please leave me a comment, and also don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel for more videos.
See, I'm self-made. I got my own. Don't need your plate. Take them or leave them. That's how I treat them. I'ma be straight. I hang up on niggas, I ain't about to have a bad day. You do what you want, but I'm just telling you the cash way.
Really wish that I could trust you.